So you want to sacrifice your bench grinder into a polisher? Well, hold your horses there now. Instead of struggling to find the correct adapters and wheels, which compounds and is it going to do the job? Save your time and the hassle, buy one of these buttes. It's a ripper of a machine and does exactly what it says on the tin. This hot little number will get most of the jobs done, if not all your polishing challenges. 750 watts of power that keeps giving over and over again. The kits and products that are available with this machine may surprise you. With its tapered spindle adapters as an alternate option, you have the ability to fit all of our polishing wheels, including the steel-centered airflow wheels, plastic-centered, and stitch wheel selection. You'll also have access to the range of polishing compounds to suit your requirements. For advice, give us a call. Come on, you blighters, it makes sense to go with a machine that is manufactured to Australian standards, comes with a year's warranty, and won't let you down. And besides, you're supporting local. Visit polishup.com.au and buy yours today. In business since 2010, based on the Sunshine Coast.